My name is Jason Greene. I'm an estimator here at the Karl Chevrolet Collision Center. Wanted to talk to you briefly about a new feature we're offering to allow us to minimize traffic and add some convenience to you. What you'll be able to do is take some photos of some damage with your phone, email them to us, and we'll be able to review the photos, contact you, and give you an idea of what the damages might be and how to proceed with the next steps. For example, we have a vehicle here that's got a little bit of damage above the door. It's got some dents and some scratches. So the primary photos we need are just a couple up close. If you can, try and show any waves you might see in person. And then a photo that's a little bit further back, kind of giving us an idea of where it's at on the panel. Along with that, send us a photo of your VIN number and include any of your contact information in the email. Once we are able to review it, we'll contact you, let you know what our opinion is and how to proceed from there.